Hello guys, this is the continuation of part 4 video tutorial. We will add seek bar and duration played and duration total. Before doing this, we will first go to the music adapter where we will start active player activity to see how it is looking. Holder dot item view dot set on click listener, new on click listener in on click intent equals new intent, and pass context m context, and the another context will be player activity dot class, and m start the activity using m context dot start activity, pass intent. This is in on view holder class, on view holder method. Now let's run our app. This is app running. Resize. Now click on any of the songs. Here we can see that player activity is showing, but seek bar is not there. So we will add seek bar and duration played and duration total in activity player. In activity player.xml, we will add relative layout which have width of match parent and height of 60 dp, and layout above will be relative layout for buttons, means shuffle buttons, repeat buttons, and whatever. Given id seek bar layout, and close this. Add a text view, wrap content width and height, and text, let's say 128. This will be duration played and id will be duration played, and text color, let's say color accent, which is white, and margin start layout margin start of 10 dp, and align parent start to true. Copy this text view and paste below this text view for duration total. Change its id to duration total, and you can also change its text. And layout align parent end will be true and margin end will be 10 dp. Now add a seek bar of layout width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. Give an id to it, seek bar, and margin start, let's say 20 dp, and margin end also 20 dp. Align parent bottom to true, and close this. You can see seek bar and bottom buttons are very close, so add a layout margin bottom of 15 dp in relative layout of seek bar. Now let's run our app. Now click on any of the songs. The designing part is done. We will play the audio in the next part by coding in player activity. Thanks for watching.